Okay, so honestly, I didn't know what to do. Well, I kind of did know what to do for today's tutorial. I was actually gonna do my brows, but my brows are not really done. Like I still have to go and thread them. So I was like, you know what? Last minute, I came up with the idea to do my makeup with just 3 products. I'll be using just concealer. I'll be using a glowy cream. And I will be using a makeup tint. Yeah, you may ask where this is coming from, why I decided to do this, because I always kind of like do a full glam in camera, because in person I'm pretty much always like this. And if you're wondering, I have no makeup on, absolutely nada. So I actually just I feel like as a whole, I'm not saying that other people didn't do this before, but as a whole, we're kind of moving to a beauty standard that is more kind of like less is more. So I kind of just wanted to take on it and just show you guys how I would do my makeup with just 3 products. Yeah, and these 3 products, I've used them before, but I haven't used it like this. So yeah, let's start, because I think they will come out like really nice. And I'm gonna start by using the Herbarian Glow Cream. I really like this glow cream because it has like pearly, like it gives like a nice glow to the skin, like a really nice glow, and like it's really good. I honestly love Herbarian really much. I've used a couple of the products and I've become like a fan, and that's why. But anyways, this is kind of like how the glow cream, wait, let me see, yeah, there we go. This is how the glow cream looks, and as you can see, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look, the pearlescent, hopefully you can see it, but it has this rosy pearlescent tint to it, and oh my god, it looks so gorgeous. So I'm gonna be applying this right now to my skin. I'm gonna take a pea size. I feel like if I need it more, I'll just apply a little bit more. But yeah, I'm just gonna be applying this onto my skin. Okay, I'm gonna be applying a little bit more. And it's gonna be right. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. It's like so naturally glowy. I really hope you guys can catch this, because it's looking nice. Okay, alright, that's too much. Okay, now what I'm going to be applying is concealer, and I'm going to be applying a concealer under my eyes, just like a tiny bit. Right here I have like a acne scar, and right here as well. Yeah, I think that's good enough. And I'm just gonna be blending it with my fingers. This makeup is like for someone, for that girl that just wants to feel like naturally gorgeous, but with a little bit of makeup. And oh my god, this concealer is a lot because it's like a full coverage. I absolutely love it though, because it has hyaluronic acid, and me having dry skin, especially under my eyes, it just works really well. I should apply it less, but it's working. It looks really bright under my eyes. I just should apply way less, because I should have known better. Like, this concealer is very, very thick, which is not a bad thing if you want that. And it works really well when I am doing a full face. But let's be honest, I'm not doing a full face a lot anymore. Probably like once every 2 weeks or when I'm doing my makeup. Wow, guys, I look so refreshed, so awakened, and I like that. Now I'm gonna show you guys my favorite part about this no foundation makeup, and again, is the Benefit Bossy Tint. And I like this because you can apply it in so many ways. The first thing that I'm gonna apply this, well, the first place will be on my cheeks, and I'm gonna work one cheek at a time because perks of living in New York City. Anyways, I'm applying this on my cheeks, like one cheek at a time, because it really tints your skin, and if you don't blend it like right away, it will create like a patch, and we don't want that. Oh god, my skin looks so lovely. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. Let it dry a little bit, not too much, because again, it will patch up and we do not want that. Now I'm gonna be applying it here. Let it dry for like 5 seconds, and then kind of press it onto the skin, because that's how it works best, I feel, with your fingers. Oh my god, look how cute. It's like, oh, I'm naturally blushing. Let's apply a little bit more and press this onto my skin. Now this looks amazing, guys. I feel like this one has a little bit more than this one. Dude, the motorcycles here in New York City are going crazy. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna bring it up to my cheeks. And lastly, I'm going to be applying this on my lips. And if you see that my lips are dark here, it was because I was drinking a little bit of red wine. So please disregard that. And yeah, I'm gonna be applying this onto my lips to make them more rosy, like they're naturally pink. I'm gonna let this dry so we can apply a second layer so it can look more rosy. And yes, beautiful people, this is the final look. No foundation makeup look, minimalistic, just ready to go. Like, we cute here. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye, ciao. Oh, and just so you know, all of the products that I use are listed in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.